N-400 Interview U.S. Naturalization. Today's simulation interview starts with the immigration officer meeting the applicant. Number P20, Mr. Kong Thon Lee.
Hi, I'm here.
Hi, I'm Immigration Officer Erica. I'll conduct your naturalization interview. How are you doing today, Mr. Kong?
Pretty good, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Follow me.
Sure.
You can put your belongings next to your chair, but please remain standing. Before we start, I'll have to place you under oath. Please stand up and raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down and please have a seat.
Thank you.
Now, I also need to take your picture and fingerprints. Can you look at the camera here for me? That's good. Can you put your left index finger on the scanner? Now, put your right index finger on the scanner. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why do you want to become an American citizen?
I want to vote and I want to apply for a government job.
How did you get here?
I got here by car.
Did you have any problems getting here?
No, I didn't have any problems.
Did anyone accompany you today?
No, I came along.
How's the weather outside?
It's very sunny. It's a nice day.
Can you show me your green card, your passport, and state-issued ID?
Yes, here they are.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, I don't.
Now, we're going to do the civics test. Have you studied for the test?
Yes, I study very hard every day.
Very good. Now let's start. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful?
Checks and balances.
Correct. Name one state that borders Mexico.
New Mexico.
Good. If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president?
The Vice President.
Great. What is one reason colonists came to America?
Freedom.
Correct. Who is in charge of the executive branch?
The President.
Good. There were 13 original states. Name 3.
New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey.
Great! You passed the civics test. Let's do the English reading and writing test now.
Okay.
Can you read this sentence on the tablet for me?
When it's Black Day.
Now, I'm going to read you a sentence. Please write the sentence down on the tablet for me. Flag Day is in June. Flag Day is in June. Excellent! You passed the English reading and writing test too.
Thank you.
I'm going to review your N-400 application right now.
Okay.
What is your full name?
My full name is Công Thành Lê.
Can you spell your first name?
C-O-N-G Công.
Has your name legally changed since you received your permanent resident card?
No.
Would you like to legally change your name?
Yes, I want to change my current name to Tony Lê.
Please write your new name on this sheet of paper. Okay, what is your date of birth?
April 12, 1984.
What is your country of citizenship?
Việt Nam.
How are you eligible for naturalization?
I have been a lawful permanent resident for 5 years.
How did you acquire your green card?
I got it through my work.
Your phone number is 602-234-4778. Is this correct?
Yes, it's correct.
What's your email address if we need to contact you?
Công Thành 84@gmail.com.
What is your current address?
107 Riverview Terrace, Venice, California 94510.
Is this also your mailing address?
Yes, officer.
Have you lived at any other address in the last 5 years?
No.
What is your race?
I am Asian.
What's your weight?
I weigh 145 pounds.
What's your height?
I am 5 feet 7 inches tall. I am 5 feet 7 inches tall.
What's your hair color?
Black.
Now we will talk about your parents. Are they U.S. citizens?
No, they aren't.
Where have they lived?
Vietnam.
Are you currently employed?
Yes,
Tell me the name of the company you work for.
Kimco Staffing.
What kind of work do you do?
I am a mechanical assembler.
How long have you worked there?
About 4 years.
Where else have you worked in the past 5 years?
I worked at aerotech company before that.
What is the name of your employer at the company where you currently work?
Mia Smith.
How many times were you outside of the U.S. during the last 5 years?
2 times.
How many total days were you outside of the U.S. during the last 5 years?
50 days.
Did you stay outside the U.S. for more than 6 months during any of the trips?
No,
Please tell me about your most recent trip.
I went my country because my father was sick.
I'm sorry to hear that. What date did you return to the U.S.?
I returned on August 21st, 2022.
Did you take any other trips after you submitted your application?
No, I didn't.
What is your marital status?
I'm married.
Is your wife a U.S. citizen?
No, she is not a US citizen.
What is your wife's full name?
Lee Thi Phạm.
What is your wife's birthday?
October 8, 1988.
Did you bring your marriage certificate with you?
Yes, it is.
How many children do you have?
I have one child.
Is your child a U.S. citizen or permanent resident?
She is a US citizen.
What is your child's name?
Her name is Coran Lê.
Do you have any stepchildren or adopted children?
No, I don't.
Now, we move on to the next section of the N-400 form.
Okay.
Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No,
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen or vote in this country?
No.
Did you bring your tax transcript for the last 5 years?
Yes, I did. Here you are.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the U.S.?
No, I never.
What is a public benefit?
Welfare like food stamp, housing, education, or healthcare.
Have you ever been a patient in a mental institution?
No.
What is a mental institution?
A place for people with mental problems.
Were you ever a member of or did you ever serve in help or otherwise participate in a rebel group?
No, officer.
Have you ever supported the overthrow of the government of your home country by force or violence?
No.
What does it mean to overthrow a government?
To remove the government by using force.
Have you ever harmed or tried to harm someone intentionally?
No.
Have you ever persecuted either directly or indirectly any person because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
Were you ever involved in any way with torture?
No.
What does torture mean?
To cause great pain to someone.
Were you ever involved in forcing or trying to force someone to have any kind of sexual contact or relations?
No.
What is the forcing sexual contact or relations?
Touching someone's private parts when they don't want it.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No.
Can you tell me what a crime is?
An action that breaks the laws.
Did you ever receive any type of military, paramilitary, or weapons training?
No.
Have you ever been placed in removal, exclusion, rescission, or deportation proceedings?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer, including any immigration official or any official of the U.S. Armed Forces, for any reason?
No.
What does to be cited mean?
Given a ticket by the police.
Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation, or been paroled?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
What is the oath of allegiance?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
What is work of national importance?
Tasks that are important to a nation during a crisis.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
Do you promise everything you've said so far is true?
Yes, officer.
Good. Please look at the application to make sure everything is correct. If it is correct, please sign and date here.
It looked good. I signed and dated.
Good. You've passed the test and met all the requirements. You have passed the interview. Congratulations!
Thank you very much.
Here is a copy of your test results. You will be sent a notice in the mail for your oath ceremony within 3 to 6 weeks. Do you have any questions at this point?
No, thank you.
Thank you, and good luck, everyone. Please subscribe to our channel for more.